This is Car Guys New England, your YouTube channel for anything automotive. This is Jay with Car Guys New England, and today another town car update for you guys. So I developed an exhaust leak today and had to get it fixed. In the process, actually, we replaced the exhaust with some fairly quiet series Flowmaster mufflers. So here's a sound clip of them so you guys can hear them. So it sounds much better than stock. It's still a little bit mild for my taste, but it's good enough, and you know, it doesn't drone in the interior or anything like that. So I'm fairly happy with it, and they did a pretty damn good job. All stainless steel. Anyways, if you guys have any questions, comments, be sure to comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like. This is Jay with Car Guys New England. Until next time, take care.